Hello dear friends, welcome to online classes. So in previous classes we have discussed Behind, the first chapter, the one they had, which is written by Isaac Asimov. And in previous chapter I have explained, I think 1 to 5 paragraph. Okay, so we will continue from paragraph number 6. So as you know that what happened, this story sets in future. We are just talking about future, that what will happen in future if there is no books and copies will available there. So how the teachers, how the students will read. So let's see is what happened here. Okay. So we will continue from here, paragraph number 6. Okay. So Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school. Stupid. Actually, what happened in paragraph number 5? You know what? Actually, she was just reading. She was just hoping that county inspector will take her robotic teacher for 1 month or 2 months like that, but it did not happen. Okay. So she was irritated and she asked Tommy, why would anyone write about a school? Means what is there to write about a school? So let's see that what he replied. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school. Stupid. No. He replied that, you know what? You're just a stupid person. Why? Because it is not kind of our school. If we compare to our school, so it is totally different. We don't have a school. They have a school. They had a school and he looked at her very superior eyes, as you know that he was 2 years older than her. So he showed her superiority. Okay. And then he said that it is not kind of our school, stupid. This is the old kind of a school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Now, and he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. You know about centuries ago, not about tomorrow or day after tomorrow like that, yesterday or day before yesterday like that. It is totally, it is talk about what? Centuries ago, means 100 or 100 years ago we are talking about. In that time people had a school, people had a teacher, that people used to go to that school. So we are talking about centuries ago, you know. So it is not kind of our school, and this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Means we just talk about that school belongs to, means earlier, means hundred and hundreds years ago. So he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Actually, she said that okay, I don't know. She was hurt. She did not, first of all, that she did not like school. Second thing is that she didn't know any information about the school. She didn't know a lot of things about that school but he knew. So because of that only she was hurt. So she said that I don't know what kind of school they had. Yes, really. She was just 11 years old. So when she was born, so she was just studying at home only. So because of that only she didn't know about that school. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. As Tommy was reading, so she was just looking from here only, and she was just reading the book, and she said that anyway, they had a teacher. Yes. And you are also very lucky that you have a teacher. Now, they had a teacher, it was a man. They had a teacher, it was a man. Yes. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Yes, sure, they had a teacher. They had a human being, means they had a human being teacher. But it was not a regular teacher. A robotic teacher, it is a machine. When you just, when you need the teacher, you can switch on and you can switch off like that. That is mechanical teacher, that is robotic teacher. But what about the human being? So we have fixed time, we have we are supposed to come at that time. So what he said that, she said that sure they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. A regular teacher, you can understand why it is mentioned regular teacher. A regular teacher means what? Regular means now why? Here normal of the usual kind. Here normal of the usual time means as that time they had a mechanical teacher, but now he said that they had a human being teacher. It was a man. When he said that it was a man, so she replied, she asked, a man? How could a man be a teacher? She was totally surprised. She was totally surprised and she asked, a man? How could be a man a teacher? How? Miss, actually, you know what? Why she asked like that? Because when she was born, so she was there only in the room, and there only in the room means she was just taught there only and taught by the mechanical teacher. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Okay, now he replied yes. Well, he just told the boys and girls, like when you are in the class, so teachers always ask you, open your book, close your book, do this thing, do that things, and do this homework, do this calculation, do this sum, just come with this homework tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that. We just do this. When we do this, when we say this, when we ask you and you do the same thing. So give them homework and ask them question also, and we ask oral question also. Yes, what is this, what is that, like that. We just ask questions to you all when you are in the class. But here, he just replied, means he just gave the example to that girl. A man is not smart enough. She said that a man is not smart enough because she didn't have too much knowledge about the man, that how the man is smart. Okay, sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Yes, sure. My teacher means what? That mechanical teacher. Okay. So he said that no, yes, man is smart enough because as he knows, means my father knows as much as my teacher, means as my teacher knows, so I can also say that my father knows more than my teacher, means mechanical teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Betcha means I bet you. Betcha means I bet. Okay. So he said that he knows almost as much. Means, as I said that my father, means according to him, my father knows better than means more than mechanical teacher. Margie was prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a string band in my house to teach me. Actually, she didn't have any information, she didn't have any knowledge about that, that a man is smart enough. So because of that only she didn't have, means she was not ready to dispute, she was not ready to discuss about that matter. But she said that I don't want any strange person in my room to teach me. Okay, she was ready to accept to that mechanical teacher, but she was not ready to accept a human being teacher, this human teacher, to teach her. Okay. Tommy screamed with a laughter. You don't know much, Margie. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. See, here. He said, you don't know too much, Margie. If you know, then you means you never talk like that. You know what? There is a special building where the teacher used to go and where the kids also used to go there to study, and the teacher teaches there. Like you, when you come to school, so you have a special building that is called school, and we come to the school to teach you. So for a particular time only, like 8 to 2 o'clock. So we teach you. So here, what he said, they had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Yes, all the kids learn the same thing as you are in class 9. So you have to study together, like 45 or 46 students are there. So you have to study together in same subject at the same time. Okay, there is no difference among any people. Sure, if they were the same age and same age like 11, 12, 11, 12 like that only. It doesn't means it didn't like that means it is not like that that the people is just 16 years old or 25 years old and they are sitting together and they are studying together. This is not the way that talk about that thing. Okay. So sure if they were the same age, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to taught differently. Okay. See, in our class, 40 students, 41 students like that. So here we are the teachers and we have to adjust it. We have to adjust our mind according to each girl and each boy's mental. Means according to their level only. Okay. Once again, but my mother says the teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. Means what? I told you that 35 students, 41 students, 40 students, they have different IQs. They have different mindset. But here we have to adjust our mind according to the boys' mind setup and according to the girl setup. And we have to teach you indifferently. Okay. Just the same. They didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So he replied that if you don't like it, so no need to read this book. Then Margie replied quickly. Margie said quickly, I didn't say I didn't like it. I didn't say I didn't like it. Means it shows her eagerness, her curiosity that she wanted to know about the old school. Okay. She wanted to read about those funny schools. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Okay. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Okay, so here, as they both were reading that book and they haven't finished a half book also. So at that time, her mother called Margie. Now is school time. You have to go to school. Okay. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now only, said Mrs. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy also. So she said that, no, it's time to go what? To join the school, to go. First of all, she ignored, she just avoided that she will not go there to join the school. But now, after that, she went. Margie said to Tommy, can't I read the books? Can't I read the books some more with you after school? She was very eager to know about that school, so because of that only she just wanted to read more about that school. So she just asked to him that can't we read it more after the school? She wanted to read more. Okay. So let's see that what happened in the next two paragraph number 9 and paragraph number paragraph number 10. So in next class I will explain it. Okay, thank you.